All right, so in this example, we're gonna still practicing some word problems involving equations. So we know that any equation is a mathematical statement that two expressions are equal to each other. So we have many real world problems can be represented and solved using equations. So we get this example. Roger wants a new truck that costs 15,999 plus an additional 1,600 for taxes, title, and registration fees. Roger has saved 6,000 and plans to borrow the rest of the money he needs. How much money does Roger need to borrow? So here we have, first of all, the cost will cost about will cost 15,999 plus additional 1,600. That's how much. That's the new truck cost actually, and he has only six. Roger has only $6,000, so he needs to borrow the rest of the money, right, in order to buy the truck here. So here we have let's for example, let's B, right? So let's B represent the amount Roger must borrow, right? And we have the amount which is saved $6,000. So we're gonna try to translate this statement to equation. So let's have this statement here, for example. So let's have this statement. All right, so we have the amount saved plus the amount borrowed equals cost of truck plus fee. So we get this statement from the problem here, right? So the amount saved was like $6,000. We get like $6,000 plus, so this is like the amount saved right here, right? Plus the amount borrowed, which is like, let's suppose is B. So we don't know how much he borrowed, right? So equals. So this is the amount borrowed equals the cost of truck plus fees, right? The cost of the truck is 15,999 plus fees, which is registration, title, and taxes, going to be 1,600, right? So so the question is, how much money does Roger need to borrow? So we need to look for B, right? So the unknown is B. We need to solve for B. This is called equation, right? Involving one variable. So let's try to solve this here. Let's try to solve this one here. So we have like 6,000 plus B, and we need to solve this one first. If we add 15,999 to 1,600, that would be 17. That would be 17,599, right? And in order to solve for B, to know the amount that Roger must borrow, we need to subtract. We're gonna subtract 6,000 from both sides. So we're gonna subtract 6,000, right, from both sides, because we need to get rid of 6,000 here. So this is gone, and B, 17,599 take away 6,000 will be 11,599, right? So that's the amount, right? That's the amount Roger must borrow in order to buy this truck, right? So he must borrow $11,599. All right, we got this example for prepaid cell phones. Kathy has a prepaid cell phone. Last month she deposited $55 into her cell phone account and was able to talk for 700 minutes before running out of credit. What is the charge per minute on Kathy's cell phone? We're gonna run the nearest to the nearest cent and assume no other fees applies. All right, so we have prepared cell phone, and that's what Kathy deposited right here. So just get this one here. So she deposits like $55 and was able to talk for 700 minutes, right? So the question, what is the charge per minute? So how much you got charged per minute? right? So first, let's try. All right, so let M be charged. We're gonna, let's name M as the charge per minute here, right? Let's name M as a charge per minute. And we get this statement that the total time charge per minute equals the total cost, right? So that's the cost is $55, right? That's how much she that's the prepaid cell phone, how much money she deposits in her account. So it's gonna be wait a second. So it's gonna be 55. All right, so it's gonna be $55 here. $55. Well, we got equals. That's equals right here, right? And the total minute times, the total minute is 700, That's how many minutes she talks, right? And times the charge per minute, which is M, which is M. All right? And the question was, what is the charge? What is the charge per minute, right? On Kathy's cell phone. So we need to look for M. We need to solve for M, right? So we can use the inverse operation, or we can use the inverse operations to solve equations, right? So for this equation here, so we're gonna divide both sides by 700 in order to solve for M. So we're just gonna divide by 700. Right? And M all right, and M will be 55 over 700. So 55 over 700. So M will be 0.078. And they're asking us to run to the nearest cent, right? So we're just gonna run this one. It's gonna be M. By running this one to the nearest cent, it's gonna be like 0.08, right? Now remember, because we have 7, right? And next to the 7 we have 8, and it's greater than 5. So we're just gonna run it to the next number, would be 0.08. So the charges per minute that Kathy would pay, it's gonna be she will be charged 8 cents per minute. It's gonna be like 8 cents per minute. All right, so we get this example for gym membership. 1 year ago, Gloria joined the gym and she paid $50 enrollment fee, right, as well as a monthly membership fee. Her total gym expenses for the year were $410. What was the Gloria's monthly membership fee? All right, so we have, as we can see, so she paid $50, right, as enrollment fee for as well as monthly membership fee. How many months, by the way? It's going to be like, since for the year, right? For the year, we have like 12 months in the year, right? So we're looking for the Gloria's monthly membership fee, right? So let's call M like monthly, as a monthly membership fee, right? And let's take this statement here. The enrollment fee plus 12 times monthly fee equals the total expenses. That's how much she paid for the whole year, right, for the gym. So what is enrollment fee? We have like $50. So this is going to be $50 right here, right? So that's $50. plus, well, 12 times monthly fee, right? 12, right, times right here. And monthly fee, we don't know what's a monthly fee. That's M. Let's call it like M equals total expenses. How much Caddy paid for her membership? I mean Gloria, right? Sorry, that's Gloria. Paid for her membership. It's going to be $410. So the total expense is going to be $410. So as you can see, this is kind of equation with multiple operations, right? With multiple operations. So we have like 50 plus 12 times monthly fees, which is M, and the total is 410. So the question is, we need to know what's Gloria, what was the Gloria monthly membership fee. So we need to solve for M, right? So by using like order of operation here, so we don't need order of operation now. We need to get rid of 50 first, right? We need to get rid of 50, right? So we're gonna subtract 50 both sides, right? So that will be 12, right? 12M, 12 times M, and 410 take away 50, that will be 360, right? And the next step, we need to get rid of 12, so we're going to divide both sides by 12, right here. So we're going to have M, 360 divided by 12 would be 30, right? And that's going to be the monthly fees, right? That's going to be like the monthly fee, which is going to be $30. So if Gloria paid $30 per month, you know, for 12 months, for the whole year, plus $50 enrollment fee, the total will be 410. So $30 is going to be her monthly fee payments.